everyone, welcome back to Journey with G with Keto series. Today I'm gonna come in and show you guys how to roasting raw almond, because when you're roasting it's more aroma and more crunchy to eat, and it tastes good as well. If you like it raw, yes, you can eat them, but to me I like it with after roasting. It tastes so much better. So I'm gonna show you guys how to roasting it. It's so easy and simple. What you need is just a frying pan. That's it. Let's go and have a look. So I got my frying pan here. This frying pan I use only for roasting stuff only. I'm not using for cooking for anything. So you can use any frying pan you like. I turn up the heat. I'm gonna use raw almond. Just spreading all out a little bit. When the frying pan is hot, you have to reduce the heat down a little bit. So it's probably into the medium heat, because we don't want our almond is burned. So we're gonna keep slowly roasting it until it's ready to So be careful with the heat. My frying pan is very heat up very quickly, so I'm gonna turn down the heat to the medium heat, and then just gonna keep roasting it. But while your frying pan is hot as well, you can shake it, or you can use the wooden spoon to stir it. But to me, I'm just gonna use some frying pan. Gonna shake it around. Just gonna leave it there until it starts to hot a little bit. I leave it on the heat for 2 or 3 minutes. My almond is start to brown up a little bit, so I'm gonna keep shaking, because I don't want to burn on one side. So I'm gonna keep shaking, and sometimes when it's get very hot, sometimes you can hear the almond is popped as well. So not worry. So just gonna keep going. We're gonna leave it on another 2 to 3 minutes until it start to pop, and then you can see on the sides is smoke start to rise as well. So just keep shaking, and you can hear the pops. As you can hear the pops going as well. You can lower the heat down a little bit more if you want, because if you don't want to burn it, it's going to be like slowly roasting. My almond is starting to pop up. You can see it's break through the skin and it's pop, which is fine. And it starts to brown color as well. It's almost done, guys. It's the total time of roasting is about 5 minutes. Then you're gonna have to let them cool down. Yes, and now it's look like that color. I don't know you guys can see it or not. My roasting almond is cooked. It's ready. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and take it out and leave it to cool down. If you want to eat it, please make sure you let it cool down first, because when it's still hot, the taste of almond is still going to be chewy. It's not going to be crunchy. But when it's cooled down, it's going to be very, very crunchy. And bear in mind, guys, don't eat too much of almond. You can have a handful of it each day, and that's it. I'm gonna let my almond to cool down. When it's cooled down, I'm going to put in the jar and store it in the cupboard. It's ready for when I want to eat. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next video. If you like my video, please like and share my video. I will see you guys next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.